Hello everyone, this is Anupam. Welcome back to Python for AbsoluteBeginners series. In this video, we will learn about tuple. So, what is a tuple? Tuple is a collection of items, just like list, but the main difference is tuple cannot be changed. In Python, tuple uses round brackets. Okay, like names is equal to Anupam, Muskan, Mayank, and Mehak. So, when we print names, then we got output Anupam, Muskan, Mayank, and Mehak. Okay, so list versus tuple. The key differences are suppose uh, like list, it uses square brackets. That is mutable. First of all, we need to learn the list is mutable. It can be modified, and in tuple, it uses round brackets. So it is immutable. It cannot be modified. Like square bracket Anupam and Muskan. And in second one, Anupam and Muskan. So what is mutability versus immutability? Immutable, it can be changed after creation. Like names is equal to Anupam, Muskan, Mayank. So name the index is 0, then Rahul. So when we print the names, then we got output like Rahul, Muskan, Mayank. Okay. So list is equal to mutable and tuple is equal to immutable. In immutable, it cannot be changed after creation. Like names is equal to Anupam, Muskan, Mayank. Then name is equal to 0. Name 0, the index is 0, then is equal to Rahul. So it can occur a error. Tuple cannot be modified. Okay. So accessing tuple elements. Tuple indices start from 0. Like it indexes start from 0. So just like list, you can access individual elements using their position in the tuple. Okay. So in one, access first element. Name 0 returns Anupam. Second one is access second element. Name 1 returns Muskan. Third one is access third element. Name 2 returns Mayank. And fourth one is access fourth element. That is name 3 returns Mehak. Okay. So loop in tuple. You can iterate through all elements in a tuple using a for loop. Just like you would with a list. Okay. So names is equal to Anupam, Muskan, Mayank, Mehak. So we apply for n in names. Okay. Then we print n, then we got output like Anupam, Muskan, Mayank, and Mehak. Okay. So लूप्स में सब मेंबर्स प्रिंट हो जाएंगे. ओके. इन सिंपली वर्ड्स, लूप में सब मेंबर्स प्रिंट हो जाएंगे. फॉर गेटिंग टपल लेंथ, फैमिली इज इक्वल टू अनुपम, मुस्कान, मयंक, महक. ओके. देन प्रिंट len names, then we got output 4 because here is 4 items. So so tuple with different data types. Tuple can store multiple data types together, them flexible for storing mixed information. And the mixed example data types and data example is data is equal to Anupam 20, Muskan 19, Mayank 21, and Mahek 18. Print the data is equal to, then we got output Anupam 20, Muskan 19, Mayank 21, Mahek 18. Okay. Why we use tuples? Tuples are ideal when you have data that should never change during program execution. They provide data integrity and protect against accidental modifications. So first one is data protection. It prevents accidental changes to important data. Okay. Second one is fixed collections. Perfect for storing constants and configuration values. So the third one is better performance. It's slightly faster than lists for read-only operations. Example like storing student names in a class where the roster should be remain unchanged. Student is equal to Anupam, Muskan, Mayank, Mehak. Okay. So the summary and practice example is practice code like friends is equal to Anupam, Muskan, Mayank, Mehak. For F in friends, print friends F. Then we got output like friend Anupam, friend Muskan, friend Mayank, and friend Mehak. So the today's class summary is tuple is a collection using small brackets. Tuple is immutable and list is mutable. It supports indexing, looping, and length, and it can store different data types. So in lesson 9, we learn about tuples in Python. Okay. So in next lesson, we learn about dictionary in Python. So if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video and keep supporting. Okay.